My mom's TiVo box quit working. It was stuck in a loop of restarting. So one of my brothers thought they knew what was wrong, and they ordered a new power supply. They hooked up the new power supply, and it was still doing the same thing. So when I got over to my mom's place and what was going on, the TiVo box would be in the startup screen. It would go black, then go back to the startup screen, and then it would appear the menu where you select the different program would pop up. That was only present for 1 or 2 seconds. And then we would go back and go into the startup screen again. You repeat this process over and over again. So I had to help out my mom, so I took the TiVo box home to my place. When I got the TiVo home to my place, I plugged it into the monitor, turned it on, and it did something different. It went to the user screen and it stayed up. I could use it to play back videos. They all play back normally. And it says, what's different? Then I realized I had no internet connection to the TiVo box. So what's going on here is when the TiVo box is working normally, it retrieves data from the hard drive. It uses this information and sends it to the TiVo website. And then the website responds back with the time, date, and programming guides when it's working normally. But let's say the TiVo box retrieves the data from the hard drive and the data is corrupted. It sends this bad data to the TiVo website. The website goes, hey, there's something wrong here. And so it tells the TiVo box to go do a reset. And this process repeats over and over again. So to fix this, we need to stop it from communicating with the TiVo website so it will stop doing the reset. So we need to disconnect the TiVo from the internet. And the way to do that is unplug the Ethernet port from the rear of the TiVo box. If you're not using the Ethernet port, it's connected by Wi-Fi. So what you need to do is shut down your Wi-Fi in where the TiVo is kept, or move the TiVo to a different location that is out of range of the Wi-Fi. Next, turn off the TiVo and power it back on, and you should be able to get into the main screen where you can navigate between the different shows. Once you're in the screen, you want to verify that the hard drive is working properly by trying to play back some of the videos that were previously recorded on the TiVo. You want to make sure the playback is smooth and that there's no pixelation or stuttering of the image. If you don't see any of this, it's a better chance that the hard drive is okay and just the data that was stored on the hard drive during setup when it was first purchased was corrupted. So we're going to go through the process of resetting your TiVo to factory new, and this will basically wipe out everything that was recorded on the TiVo, and it will be like the day that you first received it. Hopefully everything has gone according to plan and you've gotten into the TiVo and it's not resetting anymore. And what you want to do is select menu there. You can see it's highlighted in the picture. And then what we want to do is once we entered in there, we want to select help. And we'll get a drop-down menu. Then we want to select reset for defaults. Note this will erase everything and reset the unit to factory defaults. You'll lose everything on the system. There is no returning back from this. So you hit this, and it'll, if I remember right, there is a secondary message saying, making sure that you want to do this. This will begin the guided setup of your Tivo Edge. Just follow the on-screen directions. Note this will take a while for it to go through the process because I think it also formats the hard drive, which will take a while. Otherwise, you should have the Ethernet port plugged in at this time also. And the guided setup will probably also help you through the process of reestablishing your Wi-Fi connection, so you can switch back on your Wi-Fi router at this time too also. Hopefully this was helpful to everybody. Please leave comments if you were successful with this.